Sometimes, even the smallest cries change everything.
You won't believe what these babies are about to do.
You won't believe what these babies are about to do. A mother, walking with her 3 little babies. But suddenly, she fell into a deep hole. Above, her babies panicked, and they cried, calling their mother. They tried to save her. But they were too small. Time passed. Their cries grew weaker. No one stopped. No one cared. But then, someone heard them. He saw the danger and chose to help. He brought her back. A family reunited.
They found a home,
And a second chance. Sometimes, even the smallest cries change everything.